Are you interested in SharePoint? This is a quick video to help you keep yourself updated on the latest or upcoming features in SharePoint, and most of these are coming right from the SharePoint team in Microsoft. So the latest features are the Microsoft Teams features, and you can actually test them out if you're using Microsoft Teams. You can check the background feature, noise reduction, and caption. You can open up Microsoft Teams and play around by checking the background icon and play around with the different backgrounds. See, long ago I had the UCam on my laptop and it was wonderful, where I could just change the background and just even change the face. I'm not sure if all the features are there, but as of now, Microsoft Teams lets you change the background to the background you want, and that can be extremely useful when you don't want to show the room or the place you're sitting, and especially when you're working from home. You don't want to show other things and want the people to focus on only on the things which you want to see, and the background is a very nice feature. And next, suppose you are opening the chips packet and you don't want the people to hear that noise, and there is a feature called noise reduction which will help you to reduce the noise. And my favorite is the caption, where you have the words written. Suppose you are watching a movie and you don't understand the language, the English subtitles are very helpful. So similarly, Microsoft Teams has a lot of work going on behind the scenes, and they're really helping the world right now to keep connected and in wonderful ways, especially when we can't connect in person. So Microsoft is working hard to help make people feel connected and not just work. So this is about Microsoft Teams. Now I just come to SharePoint. So in SharePoint there were a lot of features discussed, like DLP, where you can just stop the people from having any kind of harassment, where some kind of words are blocked automatically by the tool DLP, and compliance features where certain keywords are blocked. For example, the credit card information need not be shared in the organization. So such kind of things are there. And I'm just focusing on two features right now. The lookbook. So most of the times people want a custom look and feel, and lookbook.microsoft.com has various templates available. I suggest that you go and have a look at various templates. Another cool feature is the list, gallery, and cards. So for example, if you have a list of events, you can just group by the image, and you can see this particular picture where they can actually group by the, when you group by the image is shown, and also you can group by the user, and nice card feature is shown. So if you don't have this feature, I think many of the developers might be using custom apps or custom code, but SharePoint is known for just converting those apps to ready-made out-of-box features. For example, long back I had to write a code to do the chart, but slowly then Microsoft SharePoint 2010 got the chart web also. So most of the things which are code are generally available out of box in SharePoint, and so this cards and grouping by pictures, these are the common requested user requests, and hence they are becoming out of box features in SharePoint. And coming to the upcoming or ongoing, so Microsoft is really AI driven, and behind the scenes Microsoft Graph is used. So I myself have tested around 100 plus apps using Microsoft Graph. It's fantastic, and Microsoft has introduced the support for term store and content type. And I had been really wanting, I actually prefer SharePoint hosted apps simply because I can put that in the App Store and help many organizations by writing the code only once. And every aspect, every user voice is heard, and they are trying to make that available in the coming summer, and SharePoint framework apps are available in the App Store in coming summer. And I think that will be available for Graph also, and I think it's already available for the MS Teams apps. And nice feature is coming out where extracting knowledge out of information, where you're typing something in the Teams and people will have the option to just click on a particular word and it will take you to the site. So a lot of information extraction using machine learning algorithms are going on. So SharePoint is an extremely powerful tool. So a lot of things are going on. If you have any a particular feature you want, you can put it in the user voice website in SharePoint, and it's feedback driven, where you so it's evolving based on the request you give. So any pain points you have, they do listen, and they're working hard day and night to keep you customers happy. So I'm an expert in SharePoint, and sometimes I do share knowledge on the latest features or do apps. So if you have certain requests, or if you want a more detailed explanation on a particular feature, you can just submit a request to thangutnyusefultools, and go to thangutnyusefultools and just click submit a SharePoint request, and give the SharePoint project details. Hope this really helps you to update your knowledge in SharePoint. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.